So over here, you can see that I have this particular page right here, a bunch of pages that is. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and insert our page number right here. So to do that, you can actually go to the master page, just like this, and then you can go ahead and take the text tool right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag a text box right here on the place where I want to add in a page number. So now over here, I'm going to go to text, and then I'm going to go to insert, and then you can see that fields is an option. And here you can see that page number is an option right here. If I were to go ahead and click on this, then the page number is inserted. If I were to go ahead and change out the size right here, and let's say, for example, change out the font right here, then that style will be applied. You can go ahead and change the color as well. So if I were to go back, you don't really see any page number. That is because the master pages has not been applied. So I'm going to select all of these right here, and then I'm going to right click, apply master, and then select all pages and select master A. And then now you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth right here. All the page numbers are inserted. So apart from the current page number right here, you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in other page numbers as well. So this is the current page number. So let's just go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in a text. I can go to text right here and then go to insert, fields. You can see I can add in next frame page number as well. So this is the next frame page number. So let's add that in. And then I'm going to go around over here, and I can go ahead and add in, let's say, previous frame number, like page number as well, previous. So for some reason, if you want to display those out, then those can be inserted out as well. Apart from that, if I were to go to insert and then go around over here on to total pages, you can go ahead and add that in as well. So now I'm going to say off, let's say, for example, I'm going to say total pages right here. So I'm just going to go around over here on to a text, insert in fields, and then I'm going to go ahead and say total pages right here. Once you do that, you can see the total page right here. As you go ahead and create new page, duplicate it, you can see that it is automatically generated. So if I were to duplicate it, you can see that there's 8 right here. So now you will be able to see the next page, the previous page right here, just like this. And you can see the total page. And as I add in new page, you can see the new page number right there, just like that as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and insert out page number inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.